Hey everyone, and welcome back to successvault. Sometimes companies and small businesses need a way to get the algorithms of those social media sites to advertise their videos and recommend them to users. They do this by paying people to watch their videos. You can earn by doing what you already do, watch videos. It's simple and lucrative and a whole lot of fun, so check it out. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money online watching YouTube videos. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss how to really start collecting a lot of money just by watching videos online. Number 1. Make a PayPal. As you start earning, you need a place to put that money. If it's cash, you keep that money in your wallet. So what if you earn digitally? With today's money-making method, you'll be earning digitally. So where do you keep your money? The answer is an online wallet. An online wallet is a wallet that holds your money you earn online. And PayPal is the most secure online wallet out there. You want to sign up for a PayPal account, because that is the only way to earn through the methods we will be discussing today. PayPal allows you to earn and spend money in an easy way. You can send money and receive money from other PayPal accounts instantly. You can also add bank accounts and bank cards to your account. If you want to withdraw money, you can easily do so by withdrawing your funds to a bank account, then withdrawing that at an ATM. It happens quickly and conveniently. So now it's time to sign up for PayPal. First, go to the PayPal website. Then look at the top of the page for the sign up button. Click on that. Now you will be brought to a page that asks you if you would like to make a personal account or a business account. Select the personal account. Now it will ask you for your email address and a password. Make sure to enter a valid email address. For the password, choose something secure and never tell anyone what it is. You want your money to stay as secure as possible. Now hit enter. You're all set. Additionally, PayPal has a mobile app that you can download. This app has all the features of the website in a compact form. You can send, receive, and transfer funds normally through it. You can also withdraw within the app. It's very convenient for earning on the go. Number 2. Go to the AddMeFast website. Most of these companies are looking for ways to get more engagement for their social media posts. The way they do this is by getting people to watch their videos and commenting and sharing. Not everyone is lucky enough to instantly get this kind of engagement, so they're willing to pay people to watch their videos. There are thousands of companies that will pay you to watch their videos. One of the sites that hosts these videos is AddMeFast. On this website, you can get paid to watch many different kinds of videos. On AddMeFast, you'll be watching videos from your choice of social media, and that account will gain views while you gain currency, which is called coins on this website. This website is absolutely free to join. All you need to start earning is an AddMeFast account. To make an account, you need to sign up. Do this by going to their website. Look for the button that says sign up and clicking it. Then enter a valid email address and a password. Then click sign up. That's it. Number 3. Navigate the website. Next step, you will need to navigate the website. AddMeFast is pretty easy to navigate. On the left side of the page, you'll see a whole list of social media platforms that you can watch videos from. You will also see at the top of the page a coin-based currency system. This is the key to how you'll be earning, but it's a multiple-step system, so stay tuned on how to use these coins. Number 4. Watch YouTube videos. Your next move, you need to watch YouTube videos. This is the simplest part. YouTube is an American online video sharing platform headquartered in San Bruno, California. 3 former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jod Kuram, created the service in February 2005. Google bought the site in November 2006 for $1.65 billion. YouTube now operates as one of Google's subsidiaries. You can scroll down on the left side of the page on AddMeFast and click on YouTube. Then, a window will pop up. When the window pops up, watch the video in the window. You will only need to watch around 30 seconds of it. Watch as many videos as you can to earn as many coins as you can. These coins will be important later. These videos were posted on this site because the user wanted to garner more views. More views means more engagement. More people will want to like, comment, and share. And that boosts that YouTube algorithm and tells it to recommend the video to other people. That will get them to even more views and engagements. So you help them out while earning at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Number 5. Go to the PlayerUp website. Basically, what we're doing today is similar to a drop shipping service. We will be earning through one service while fulfilling it with another service. Say you get paid $20 to fulfill a task, but you hire someone for $10 to fulfill that task. You'll still get $10 for basically doing nothing. We'll be doing that today. So you'll want to go to the PlayerUp website. This website is easy to navigate, but first you need to sign up. Go to the top of the page and click on the log in or sign up button. You can log in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, Steam, or just enter your email address. Then create a password. It's that simple, and you're ready to go. On this website, You can sell many different things such as Clash of Clans accounts or Facebook likes. Number 6. Sell Facebook likes on PlayerUp. On PlayerUp, you can buy and sell likes for Facebook. This is one of the things we will be doing today. Facebook likes can be important for companies. These likes can boost their posts and encourage more engagement. A company that receives a lot of likes will also seem more reliable. And companies want that. Now, you want to be selling Facebook likes for those who are looking for them. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Now set up a listing for Facebook likes. Set your price. Maybe $10, maybe $5. It's completely up to you. Now, follow the next step to learn how to actually get this fulfilled. Number 7. Set up a page on AddMeFast. Now you need to fulfill these orders. Getting likes manually will be impossible for you to do on your own, so you'll need to enlist in the help of other people. Remember AddMeFast? You'll be returning to the site again. Go to the website and log in. Once you're there, look on the top left of the side panel and click Add Site/Page. Once you click that, fill out the form. Select what you want to be garnering. In this case, Facebook likes. Then select how many you want. Maybe your client requested 500 for the price of $10. Set this part for 500 likes. For countries, select worldwide. Then put in the page URL. The page URL will be provided to you by your client on the PlayerUp site. Then select how many coins you want to give out per click. That's why your coins are important, because you'll be giving them out as rewards for those who give likes to the page. Then you're all set. This can work for many different social media platforms, as we will discover later on in this video. So stick around to find out how to do it for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as well. Number 8. Sell views on TikTok on PlayerUp. TikTok is growing rapidly in popularity. This site is home to many up-and-coming internet celebrities, and these internet celebrities will want more views on their TikToks. Whether it be dancing, cooking, painting, this app is full of content that needs to be viewed. And viewing it is easy since the time limit on all the videos is 1 minute. Now it's time to sell views. To sell views, like previous steps, go to your PlayerUp account. Now set up a listing that says you'll be selling TikTok views. Then go to the AddMeFast and add a page for TikTok views. Tons of people will view it, and your client will be satisfied. Number 9. Sell views on YouTube on PlayerUp. YouTube is a video sharing site that's full of content. In fact, it has millions and millions of videos for anyone to view. Sadly, not all of these videos get views. Some people want their videos to reach other people. In order to do so, it has to run with the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm works in your favor when you get likes and comments. So some people are willing to pay for these likes. You can be one of these people that gets paid to sell likes. Here's how you can be a part of this. Like with the other steps, first, you need to go to your PlayerUp account. Then make a listing saying that you will sell YouTube views. Set your price. Then go to AddMeFast and set up a page so people can view the video your client requested views on. Number 10. Sell likes on Instagram on PlayerUp. Instagram is one of the top social media platforms out there. On this app, you can like photos and videos. This site has many influencers and people who want to be influencers. In order to do so, you'll need a lot of likes. Likes and followers can be hard to come by. That's where you come in. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Again, like with the Facebook likes, you'll be setting up a listing. This time, you could sell likes or followers. Set your price accordingly. Fulfill these likes and follows through AddMeFast. Select the option for Instagram likes or follows according to what you're selling. Then people will start following that account and liking their content. That will lead to a happy client and a great reputation. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!